So for question 2, we are going to read out this question and get some important information here. So the sum of the first n term. Sum of the first n term means it is Sn of an arithmetic. So we are going to apply arithmetic formula here, which is n over 2, 3n minus 5. So this is our first sentence and first information given. Then continue. If second and fourth terms of the arithmetic are the second and the third terms of a geometry series respectively, so they're going to mix around the information here. So they say the second term and the fourth term of an arithmetic series, so I put an A here, is equals to the second term and the third term of the geometry series respectively. So find the sum of the first 11 terms. So we have to find out what is our sum. So sum, it will become S. Sum of 11. S11. So what can we get here is when you say arithmetic series, we're getting this formula. We are going to find what is our T2 and what is our T3 here. So for arithmetic series here, in order to get second term, we will equals to S2 minus S1. So we must find out the terms using the concept of sum. So S2 here will be equals to, substitute the value of 2, and S1 substitute the value of 1. To find out what is our T2 here. So this T2 will be equals to 2. And we continue to find what is our T4 from our arithmetic series. So the fourth term. So when we want to find the fourth term, means n is equals to 4 here. So 4 over 2, 2, 4 times 3, minus S3. So if you want to find T4, means it is equals to S4 minus S3. So 3 over 2, where our n here is 3, so 3 over 2, 3 times 3 is 9. So we simplify this, we will get 8. So we managed to get our second term and third term of our arithmetic series. After we get our information, our second term and fourth term from our arithmetic sequence, now we're going to focus this term. They said it is equals to second term and third term of our geometry series. So geometry series means here 8 is equals to our second term in geometry. Geometry means AR. And this one, so second term is 2. 2 equals to AR. And then fourth term is 8 equals to third term, so AR squared. This is how we get our information. First equation, second equation. So we are going to find out what is our sum to 11. So from here in geometry series, we need our A and R. So that's why we have two simultaneous equations here. In order to solve simultaneous equation in geometry series, we are going to do division so that we can cancel one of the unknown, or we can eliminate one of the unknown. So we will take equation 2 divided by equation 1. AR squared will divide by AR, so 8 will divide by 2. So therefore you can see here our A is simplified and our R also simplified. So here will become 4. So finally we get our common ratio, which is 4. So once we get common ratio equals to 4, we can substitute into either one equation. So I will take equation 1, the simple one. So 4a. So a will equals to 1 over 2. So finally, we are going to answer our last part of here, which is sum of the first 11 term for this geometry series. So it will equals to sum to 11 terms. Our formula will be equals to A. We'll look at the R. So since the R is bigger than 1, so we will take the formula R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So we plug in our value here, it will be 1 over 2, where R is 4, power n is 11, divided by 4 minus 1. So this one we can press our calculator straight away.